First day of autumn. Ayan ang paligid. Ayan ang apple. Ano pa rin bunga. Weekday this week. Yan ang likod ng bahay. Yung mga garden. Yung mga punong kahoy. Ay, ito din. Ayaw niya, ganyan ang gusto niya. Ayan ang punong apple. Madami pa siyang bunga. Hindi nila kinuha ang kanyang bunga. Ayan. Nag-uumpisa ng maglagasan ang mga punong kahoy, ang mga dahon ng punong kahoy. Dahil taglagas na dito. Ayan, patak ng ulan. Lakas ang ng hangin. Naririnig.
Hello.
It's raining. It's raining.
Yeah, it's raining.
It will gonna uulan ng 1 week dito. Tapos na ang summer. Summer ay tapos na kahapon. Last day yesterday. It's autumn.
Autumn day.
Autumn. It's autumn leaves. Malalagas, makakalbo na naman ang mga punong kahoy. Maybe on December, October, November, magsisilagasan. In December, kalbo na yung mga yan. Wala nang mga dahon yung mga yan. On December, January, February, March,
January is my birthday.
April, tapos Spring, June. Is that ano? Ano may yata ang spring, and tutubo na naman sila. Pati mga magagandang bulaklak, bulaklak na naman sila. Tapos ganyan, summer. My favorite season is spring and summer.
My favorite season is winter and
I don't want winter. It's too cold. Bye-bye. Thank you. How to end this?
press the button.
I don't know how to end this. Hello.
Bye-bye.
Brand. It's raining. Good morning. Good morning to all of you. How to end this? I will end this live. Bye-bye. Thank you very much. I don't know how to end. Where is there? There, I saw it. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Oh.